Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. I'm so happy that you decided to join me as I unbox my most recent purchases of Chanel boots. I'm so excited to have found especially one of them which was on sale at Saks. They are perfect and cute little booties, and the second pair I bought for my essay at Neiman Marcus, which I just saw them online and I was like, I have to have them. And he was able to get them for me. And I just can't wait to show them to you. So let's get this unboxing. My first pair that I'm going to share to you today is from Saks. These were on clearance, so I'm hoping you'll be able to find them. Both of the pair of boots that I purchased, I did try and find them online and went to Chanel's website and I couldn't find them. But that doesn't mean that they're not available still. You would just have to go to your local store, Neiman Marcus or Saks, or even Barney's, any store that carries these lines, to see if they have them. These were on sale, so I'm not sure if you'll be able to find them. I am hoping that you will. I actually fell in love with them when I saw them. I was like, oh gosh, I have to have those. They're cute little booties. They have pearl details on the edge. They're just amazing. Bad. These are it. Aren't they gorgeous? Oh my gosh. The pearl detail around the edge, and they're suede, they're short, and they have, of course, the classic CC on the tiptoe, but it's subtle, so subtle, which I love about these booties. They're not in your face. These are so cute. I could see these with leggings or even shorts during summer or spring. They're just going to be incredible, and they fit like a glove. They're just perfect. They are so beautiful. I was so happy to find these. I was amazed that they actually were still available, and they were on clearance. These actually were originally, I think it says it somewhere on my ticket. These were originally $1,400. Let's see if I can get, so that way you guys can find these. These are it. And I got these at Saks. They originally $1,400, and I got them for $588, which is amazing. I can't wait to wear these. My second pair was unfortunately not on sale, but when I saw them at the store, my essay knew I wanted them, and actually the size that I wanted them in, someone else had already put them on hold. So he had to scramble and see if he could find another pair available at another store, and he was lucky enough to get them for me. These are actually a little bit higher than the suede ones I just showed you, but they're definitely different. Of course, as usual, the Chanel bag, which is actually good quality. It's heavy and it's be perfect when you're traveling. Protect your shoes. These are, oh my gosh, look at these. Oh my gosh, look at them. They are leather all the way around, including this beautiful white heel. It's like the pop of detail, so different. The little stripe. And I really enjoy this part here, especially when it's during wet weather. You could, no chances of you slipping. And the classic CC on the heel. I'm not sure if you can see that, and I'm hoping that you can. They were just amazing. I saw this, it's like, oh my gosh, this is so in with color blocking, and this would be so cute with jeans. White shorts during spring when it's still a little bit chilly, but nice enough to put on some shorts and booties, or even during the winter with some leggings or some dress pants and black top. and you just want a slight little pop of something different on your feet, and the heel just showing through as your pants just slightly cover. It's just, these are just amazing. These are a little bit tight. I do have to take them to get them stretched a little bit around the toe area, but they're perfect. I got these in 7.5. They both are 7.5, which is 35.7. And the suede booties that I just showed you fit perfectly, but these, I think because they are just the calf leather, they're a little bit tight around my toe. The size 38 was too big up here, so I figured that I'll just take them back and have them stretched. But they are just gorgeous. I know it's a short video, but I wanted to share this with you just in case. So just because the sell period is over for Chanel. Chanel is iconic on being the last designers that normally put their items on sale, and it's definitely way past the sell season. But you never know. If you just walk into one of these stores and just check them out and see, you might be surprised. You might be able to find something that's on clearance, and you were lucky enough to get there at the right time. So just give it a try. You never know. That's it. And I thank you again for visiting me. Please subscribe below and ring the bell so that you get notifications of when I put up new videos. I'm doing my best to stay on top of this because this is really fun. My heart is in it, and I hope you see that. You have a great day, a blessed week, and a beautiful night. Bye.